Many scientists are working around the clock to develop treatments for the Ebola virus. Several vaccines to protect people from the disease are now under development in the United States. CCTV's Hendrik Sabrandi reports from Denver.
National leaders acknowledged.
At the Rocky Mountain Laboratories in Hamilton, Montana, scientists with the National Institute of Allergy and Infectious Diseases put viruses under the microscope and plot ways to attack them and save lives in the process.
I think that is the most rewarding thing. Usually we don't see that during our careers. We're applying the basic concepts here of research to understand how viruses cause disease and why they are so virulent.
One of their current projects is an Ebola virus vaccine that's based on a livestock pathogen. It's shown promise in monkeys, but like other Ebola vaccines, it has yet to be tested in humans.
There's a lot of pressure now because it is known to the world now that there are experimental approaches that look quite promising, but none of them has been in humans. So that is a big problem, and that is a big hurdle.
Actually, a German lab worker did receive Dr. Feldman's vaccine 5 years ago when she accidentally pricked her finger with the Ebola virus. But it's not clear whether she survived because of the vaccine. Other researchers in the U.S. plan to begin clinical trials of their vaccine this fall.
And hopefully be able to get it to people sometime before the end of 2015.
Dr. Feldman's product is not quite at that point. He hopes the pressure for an Ebola drug doesn't force vaccines to be released prematurely.
To just release something right now with a good plan and with a good concept that is supported by the official agencies, I think is a mistake.
The Montana lab, which also studies Ebola on the ground in Africa, may not be able to respond to this epidemic, but
if we can achieve that this and other products would be available for the next one, I think we have achieved a lot.
At the moment, achievements in the fight against this virus, like drugs, are in short supply. Hendrik Sabrandi, CCTV, Denver.